Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS, simplifies connecting devices to your Spectrum router without needing a complex password. It uses two main methods, push-button connect and pin entry. Push-button connect involves pressing a button on your router and device simultaneously. This process establishes a connection within minutes without sharing credentials. Pin entry requires entering an 8-digit code from your router on the device. The PIN is often found on the router's label or admin panel. While convenient, WPS has security vulnerabilities and is being phased out in favor of more secure methods like WPA3 and app-based pairing. Spectrum routers, often Aris, Sagemcom, or Hitron models, typically have WPS enabled by default, but recent updates encourage users to disable it for better security. Because of the security risk, many manufacturers are starting to move away from WPS. To enable WPS on your Spectrum router, first connect to your router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Access the admin panel using your web browser. The default address is typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.100.1. Use your Spectrum-provided credentials to log in. These are often admin for username and a unique password found on the router sticker. Navigate to the Wi-Fi or wireless settings section, then look for WPS settings, often under Advanced Options. Enable WPS and choose your preferred mode, push-button PBC or personal identification number. Save the changes. For PBC mode, press the WPS button on your router. For PIN mode, enter the displayed PIN on your device within 2 minutes. Due to security concerns, consider disabling WPS after use or exploring more secure methods like WPA3 or Spectrum's app-based pairing. Enable safeguards for your network.